Hey Napoleon, vote for summer, it'll be summer all year long.
No, wait, I'm voting for Pedro Sanchez. Who do you think?
Fine, your vote doesn't matter anyways.
Ugh, Summer doesn't know what she's talking about. My vote does matter, doesn't it? Wait, can I have one of those flyers?
Sure.
We asked the student body, do you think your vote counts in a large election? Our null hypothesis was that the proportion of students who think voting in a large election is important is equal to the proportion of students who think it's not important. That would mean that P equals 0.5. Our alternative hypothesis was that the proportion of students who think voting in a large election is important is greater than the amount of students that think it's not important. That would mean that our P is less than 0.5. Our conditions include normality, which would mean that n times p and n times 1 minus p is greater than 10, both times it checked out. Random assignment, we tried to eliminate bias by surveying regular honors and AP classes. Our independent condition was that n times 10 had to be greater than our proportion, and we are confident that more than 172 students are in the population because our sample size was 72. When looking at the data, we can see that 40 people out of 72 said it was important, or they thought it was important, and 32 out of 72 thought it was not important in a large election. We did a 1 proportion z-test in our TI 84 plus calculator. We entered in our p-value of 0.5, our x-value of 40, which is the number of people who thought it was important, and our n-value of 72, got a z-score of 0.943, and a p-value of 0.173. That would mean that our p-value was smaller than 0.5. Therefore, in our conclusion, I reject the null hypothesis that the proportion of students who think voting in a general election is important is equal to the students that think it is not. And find evidence to support the alternative, that more people think that their vote matters in a large election than people who don't.
Hey, Summer.
What?
According to the student body, my vote does count in a large election.
Whatever.
Hey, Summer.
But then my chance to get to heaven's land.
Oh, wait.
You're I'm sorry, it's so.
Wait, our null hypothesis was proven true. Wait, that was weird.